Hey everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to install our Imperial thickness gauge onto the Festool Domino DF500. For this procedure you're going to need the Imperial thickness gauge, your Domino 500, and a T10 Torx bit and driver. To start, first put your fence in the 9-degree or down position, and then raise the fence height all the way up. Then take your T10 Torx bit and remove the screw holding the retainer clip onto the old gauge. Remove the retaining clip by bending it slightly away from the domino base and then lifting straight up. After you've removed the metric gauge, take the Imperial gauge and insert it into the retaining clip, and then insert the 2 feet of the retaining clip into the domino base, making sure to push them straight down. While holding the retaining clip against the domino body, reinstall the screw. And that's all there is to it. For more information or for support, visit us on the web at senecawoodworking.com.